Hi, welcome. It's Yvonne here. Today I'm coming at you with a very exciting video. But before I get into that, if you don't follow me already, my name is Yvonne. I usually go to Goodwill, the bins, and thrift stores, yard sales when I can, and look for items either to resell or keep. If I am reselling anything at all, it is usually at my Poshmark account and my eBay. I'm under at Orihita Girl. Go check me out on there. If you wanna sell or buy on Poshmark, go to my affiliate link down below, and you get $10. And I believe I get either 10 or 5. I'm not sure. Only if you make a purchase. And I will tell you that right now there are a lot of good coaches and things like that. If that's something you're looking for, like a lot of coach handbags, purses, wallets, etc., accessories that are a very, very good deal. So if you want that $10 discount, go down below, sign up with my link, and you will get it. Trust me, it is a great deal. Also, there are a lot of times when Poshmark will give you like a free discount on shipping, like a discount on shipping, also for being like a first-time buyer or a first-time buyer of a certain closet. So, yeah. Okay, so I also love getting free stuff in the mail. So if that's something that you're into, definitely go down below, look at my video. I get a lot of freebies and sponsored ads. I have a video on it, how you can get that as well. So definitely check me out. And this is just a little sample of some stuff that I just got. So I have a video coming up with that. And also, yeah, and I have a lot of videos also with freebies and things like that on my channel. So check it out. I have a lot of Goodwill bin hauls on my channel. I have a lot of them that I've already filmed that are coming up that are older. I will say older. When I say older, I mean a little older, like maybe just watch for them. No. Also, I'm under Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there if you do not already. And today I am coming at you with an unboxing. Yeah, kind of an unboxing. It's not really an unboxing because it's not a box, but I did get a package in the mail. I got a package from a very good friend of mine here on YouTube. Her name is Marie, just Marie here on YouTube. Go follow her, go check her out. She does a lot of art content. She does a lot of thrifting, yard sale hauls, likes handbags just like I do, and other stuff. So go check her out. Go check her out. So thank you, Marie, for everything you sent me. I appreciate it. So let's jump into the video. I'm going to go ahead and use my little trusty cutter to cut it open really quickly, kind of. I don't want to cut into the package, but I want to cut the package open. So there we go. Okay, so here we go. I do know one of the items that you sent me. I just don't know the other items. So, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, so everything is in, of course, one of my favorite things, and that is a, hold on, let me see. Okay, hold on. Well, let me see. I want to open this up. I'm excited for what she sent me already. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so here we go. So this is one of the items that she sent me, and she did say she was going to send me this. So I didn't know. And that is this really cute little Trader Joe's bag. Yes, I have been wanting one of these. I have not gone to Trader Joe's because it's not really close to me to just go. Yeah, so I'm glad she got me one of these. People have been literally lining up trying to grab these. Like, I don't know, the hype is real. I think because everybody's into the I was gonna say the Lands End bag, but it's the other bag by, I believe, I forgot the name of the company. The boat tote. I forgot the name of the company. The boat tote. There's a very popular boat tote right now, that is just a canvas bag basically, and everybody's been into it. And Lanzin also makes a good one that's a similar. And then there's this Trader Joe's one, which is now extremely popular, and people literally line up at the store around and like try to nab as many as they can to resell, of course, because they're not getting them all for themselves. But yeah, I'm glad she sent me one. So this one is my mama's, because she did say one was for me and one was for her. So thank you. All right, so let's see. Okay, so let's see what else. Ah, look at this. How cute is this? Okay, so she sent me this too. Okay. What? This is too cute. This is, thank you. I love this. Look at this t-shirt. I love this. I love this. Absolutely love Minnie Mouse. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute with her little flower and her little hat and her little umbrella. It's just so cute. I love Minnie Mouse too, and Mickey and the whole gang. I love them all. So thank you for that. Alrighty then. Okay, and then there's something else in here. Let's see. I think I know what this is. I think this is what I think it is, but I'm not sure, so we'll just have to see. She wrapped it up really good because she did not want it to tear. I mean, to, open. Which is great because you know how they handle the packages sometimes. It's like crazy. Everything just kind of goes everywhere, so yeah. Okay. So this is it. This is the Kiwi leather lotion. Yes, I needed some of this leather moisturizer lotion, whatever you call it, for my handbags. And there is one in particular that I'm looking at right there that needs some. So I will be using that. Thank you, Marie, for sending me this. I, for some reason, had a hard time just looking for it locally here. I've been looking for the letter CPR at various little stores that supposed to be at the store that carries it here. It's not there. So I don't know what the deal is. And it's very expensive on Amazon as opposed to at that store where I would get it for like $5. So yeah, that's why I haven't gotten it. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up what you send me in here. Okay, I got it. Thanks, Ree. We know. All right. Okay, look at that. Okay, let's see. Send me some little crock charms, which are always grateful. Oh, okay, one of them fell. Please hold. Alright, okay, I'm back. Alright, so this is the first one. She sent me this little kitty. Look, so cute. She sent me that. Oh, the other one that she sent me is this cute little owl. Look. So cute. It's kind of like a Day of the Dead owl. And then this little Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty too. I'm a Sanrio girl. I love all the vintage Hello Kitty, Keroppi, Choco Cat, Spotty Dotty, Peckle. All the vintage characters from Sanrio were my favorite. I swear. I was always at the Sanrio store. Who remembers the Sanrio store that was downtown at the River Center Mall? I was always there. I really didn't buy a lot of stuff there because my mom didn't have a lot of money to buy stuff. But what I would do is I would go and I would spin the little wheel, and then it would give me a little like a surprise. They had like this wheel that you would spin, and you would pay $1, I think $1.08 to spin it or whatever. and then they would give you a prize, and it could be anything from $1 to $3 depending on what you want. And it was really cool, you know, to get something, because I always got either a pencil, I got a notebook, I got something, stickers. I mean, I got so many cute little things from there, just doing that little spin wheel. And then the girl, if you bought something, they would give you these little trinkets that would go on the back of the little bag. Like there were these little like trinkets that were on a little string, and they were so cute. They were either like Hello Kitty, or you know, they were always Referral themed. And they also had like days where Hello Kitty would be there. Like they would just kind of have a calendar of events, and it would be like one day or out of like maybe a couple of months that Hello Kitty would be there. And I never went to go see her because I just never did. I was never able to go. And there was also at the Sunreal store, they had this thing where you would go every year. Every year they gave out these little cute little calendars, like little mini calendars. They were like little mini booklet calendars. They were so cute. And on the back they had stickers. And also you would collect cards at the Sunreal store if you bought stuff, which I did on occasion. So I collected these little cards. Like every time I would go and I would play a little game and stuff, they would stamp my card, and you would collect the cards, and then you would redeem them for these little like prizes that they had in the back that were also Sanrio themed. So you could get, like, I got a little Chocolate Cat clock one time, which I wish I still had, but I don't. But I did have that clock, and I got it with my little cards. So yeah. And here's the last one. It's this little sugar skull. So cute. All right, I like those. Okay, and let's see what else. All right, and then this is the last item that she sent me, and it is this really cute little beaded lipstick case. Look at how cute. I like that. I currently have one that I do use, and it's a little lipstick case with little elephants that I got a long time ago, like a yard at a flea market. But this one is so cute. I love these because you always need to have lipstick with you at all times, for sure. It's just one of those things. I'm that girl. All right, and the next item is this really cute little tote bag with Frida. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. It's the perfect size to carry as a little purse. And Frida looks painted on, which she's obviously not, but she looks like she's painted on. So beautiful with her flowers and stuff. So I love that. I love that. Okay, so that's one thing. And the last thing in here is this one. And that is this really cute little Trader Joe's bag in green. And yes, she did tell me she was going to send me this one as well. So this is the color that I chose. I chose the green one just because I like green. It's my favorite color. So I chose this one. But look how cute. And you can customize this. So of course I'm going to be customizing mine. I have patches and stuff also. Here we go. Here's some patches. Look, I'll go through the patches that are possibly going to go on this bag because I do plan to decorate it with patches. I've had these patches for a while already. And I was going to put them on a jacket, but I don't know if I am. I have this little flowers. These little flowers. Look at that. I have like 2 of these little flowers. I have this little Dr. Pepper with a bow because I love Dr. Pepper. And so I got that at one of those markets downtown that they had. I have this this tongue from the Rolling Stones, of course, because me and my dad, we are into the Rolling Stones. I have this little unicorn. I don't remember where I got that one. I think I got it at the flea market or at the bins. I have this little sugar skull. I have this one that says, "It's always the fear of looking stupid that stops you from being awesome." I agree. Never do that. I have this vintage one that says Hemisphere 68 from with the Tower of the Americas. I have this one that says For the Love of Texas. Somebody gave me this one. It says For the Love of Texas 2019 Battle of Flowers Association. I don't remember who gave me this one, but somebody did. So cool. From the Fiesta. And I have lastly this one. This one just says Be Kind, and it's a little Volkswagen bus. How cute. So can you see the vision? Like, look at this. Look at this. Even if I just put this one, like, I love this one too. Like right here, look at that. Oh, so cute. It's a vision. I don't know how I'm gonna decorate it because this is kind of big, obviously. And I'm not covering the Trader Joe's one, but I'm just saying, like, this would be cute. But so we'll see. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, it was a little bit of a chatty one, but hey, I hope you enjoyed it. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And thank you, Marie, for everything you send me. I really do appreciate it. I like it so much, and I will talk to you later. All right.